Welcome back to Half Moon Tech Labs. In a previous video, I changed out this string trimmer head that had been eroded away just by dragging it along the pavement. And I changed the entire assembly out. It was kind of a hard to find item because the Ego sight was a little wonky. But as it turns out, the AH1530 was the one for the 15-inch rapid reload string trimmer head. That was the one that fit my string trimmer. And like I said, you can check out the previous video if you want to know more about the whole assembly and how to find the right part number for it. Anyway, I kept the old head because, again, I replaced the entire thing, and I realized you can actually just change out the lower cover assembly. This costs about half as much if you want to repair your old head by simply replacing the part of it that's worn alone. And I'll show you how to do this. I haven't done it yet, but it's pretty simple. We just ordered it from Amazon. Took a few days, cost 20 bucks. Here it is. And there's no spring inside this, but that's okay because we have it from the old one. So let's take a quick look at the old one. All right, so I've already opened this up, but basically you press these tabs down and then the head will pop open like so. And inside you'll have, well, I took the nut and just put it inside there, but this piece we're going to save. This is the piece that we need to change, this entire assembly here. So I bought one, like I said, we're going to steal the spring from it, put the old one aside. Going to put the spring inside the new lower cover assembly, like so. Just going to push it in there. Make sure it's seated. There we go. And that's it. Now we're going to snap it on top of the old piece until it clicks. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Next time you need to fix your string trimmer head, you may want to consider just spending 20 bucks and change just the lower cover assembly alone, just this little guy here. And instead of 40-something dollars for the entire assembly, $20, Amazon, couple of days, boom, steal the spring from your old one, snap it in here. You have a hot swap spare next time you need it. And that's pretty much it. I'll put the part numbers in the comments below for both the AH1530 and for this part that I purchased on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in to Half Moon Tech Labs. We'll see ya.